In software development, there are two main career paths that one can take: the path that leads to people management and the individual contributor career path. In this video, we're going to cover the first path, that of people management. People management encompasses all types of roles associated with the leadership and execution of teams. It's a step aside from hands-on development and a step onto the management career ladder. We're going to discuss the different positions that one can expect to have as they transition into people management and the various roles and responsibilities that they can have throughout their career. For those interested in leadership positions or with aspirations for company management, this is the ideal career path for you. People management encompasses various different roles: product or project managers, director positions, and other various C-suite positions in a company. It's important to note that one doesn't have to step through each and every one of these positions if you choose to go down the people management career path, but that these are simply the most common roles that you can expect to see. Software development managers are roles more commonly seen at larger companies. Their main responsibilities are to manage and assist software developers within a company. This can entail hiring and training new developers, setting and managing goals within dev teams, monitoring and assigning tasks, making plans, reports, and other aids for both the software developers and upper management. And in some cases, software developer managers will be in charge of managing relationship with the client and communicating back and forth. Similar to software developer managers, project and product managers have very similar responsibilities. Their core responsibilities, however, are to take the lead of a given project, divide out the necessary work, and manage the efforts to see that project through. You can expect to communicate frequently with the client and communicate the concerns and questions of the dev team to the client, and likewise the concerns and questions of the client to the dev team. Ultimately, the project or product manager is responsible for the success or failure of a project and dev team. For those desiring to progress beyond the responsibilities of a manager, the next step is to move up into a position in upper management. Another path to get here would be that through the software architect role, a role we discussed in the individual contributor career path video, also found within this series. The types of positions available in upper management within a company depend greatly upon the size of the company. In smaller companies, you'll often see the CTO or Chief Technical Officer position as one of the only upper management roles available. In larger companies, however, there are various opportunities with roles such as Director of Engineering or Director of various other departments within a company. Some also use the title of Vice President of Engineering and other variations like that. These titles often depend greatly on the structure of upper management within a company. The roles and responsibilities of these positions are very similar despite different titles. VPs and directors of engineering are often responsible for all internal efforts in regards to software development. They work with project and product managers to make sure that projects go smoothly and identify needs within the company to improve processes. CTOs, on the other hand, often work more with other upper management positions and shareholders. Their responsibilities are mainly to be company evangelists and be outward facing, and their day-to-day activities revolve more around board meetings and networking with other companies and potential clients. VPs and directors of engineering report directly to the CTO and apprise them of everything happening in regards to software development within a company. If a company is smaller, you'll often see the CTO take upon themselves all of the responsibilities that a VP or director of engineering would have. Many times in startups, you'll actually see the CTO still building and actively programming along with the other developers. As startups grow into larger companies, however, CTO's roles begin to shift and their responsibilities are typically handed off so that their scope can be more broadened. If you found this video useful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.